going to see what are the people who are not eligible to file ITR2. So previously we have seen that who are the persons who are eligible for ITR2. Now we are going to see who are not eligible for filing ITR2. So there are only two conditions. Suppose if your condition falls in either of these categories, then you are not supposed to file your returns using ITR2. The first condition is any individual or HUF having income from business or profession. So having income. So suppose if you run any business, for example, suppose if you are working in an IT company, and at the same time, if you are doing some business, for example, if you are managing some hotel, then the income from that hotel would be considered as business income. So that would be treated as business income. So you shouldn't file your income using ITR2. And the second case is individuals who are eligible to fill out the ITR1 form. Suppose if your criteria, if your condition satisfies with the ITR1 form itself, then you shouldn't choose ITR2. You should file your returns using only ITR1 form. The condition, if suppose if a condition doesn't satisfy with the ITR1, then you can check whether ITR2 conditions are satisfied. So if your conditions fall under any of these categories, then you shouldn't use ITR2 form.